Alrighty, made it back out to the garage here. Gonna get some more work done on the old bug eye today. Last time I got the old engine out, I tore the intake off the new one. I gotta put together I got everything to put together an intake for it. Get everything cleaned up on here. This motor's all good to go, other than the intake. If you remember, my other intake up there has a bunch of aftermarket, has a full aftermarket setup on it, so I wanted to keep that. Fuel rails, and that's mainly all it is the fuel rails. But anyway, so we got this here, fuel lines, injectors, TGVs. I gotta hobble a bunch of stuff together here, and hopefully it all works, is the end game here. So yeah, gonna set up another time lapse and see how much we can get done tonight. Be cool to have this motor set in the car today, so we will see. Whole motor is put together. Looking pretty good. Basically a stock 2-liter for one of these cars. The only thing left is to get this flywheel off of here and put the flywheel and clutch from this engine on here. And yeah, that's... Well, my battery went and died right as I was ending that. I'm on my last battery for the day, so hopefully we get done what we're going to get done today in the time of this battery. But to save time, like I was saying, this engine's all good to go. I just got to get the flywheel and clutch off of that one and slap her on here. So I think to save battery, I'm just going to get that thrown on there, because as soon as that's thrown on there, this motor can go in the car. So yeah, I'm going to just shut off the camera, get that thrown on there, and next time you see me, we're putting this engine in the car. Hopefully. Alrighty, back where we left off here. So, new motor, have the clutch and flywheel on. Sadly, this is getting a lightweight flywheel. It's all I have that's in good shape at the moment. Because it, well, came on that motor. I would prefer to use the one that came on this engine, which you'll put over here. But I don't have time to get it cleaned up, so, well, I have time to get it cleaned up, but I don't feel like waiting for it. I have that one with that whole clutch assembly laying around, so no point in not using it. Otherwise, it's just going to sit in my shelf and look like that one in a few years, so who knows. So yeah, that's all good to go. I'm going to set us up a time lapse and get an angle on the car, and motor's going in. Yes, big moves. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh, alrighty. The engine is in. That was one hell of a fight. I don't know. These things just seem to either go one or two ways. They just fall right in or they fight you. And this one fought me. I honestly haven't had one fight me that bad in a while. Just like, I don't know what I was stuck on. I think the pitch mount screwed me up the most. I didn't loosen it. So it kind of made it a bear to jack the trans up. But either way, it's in here. So we are good to go. Time to start buttoning up all the little details. But that is going to be the end of this one. My battery is at 20%, so we just barely made it. So I think I need to get some new GoPro batteries. These things seem to all die within like an hour. So, but yeah, motor's in, great progress. Maybe next time you see this thing, it'll be running. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Thank you everybody for watching this one, and have yourselves a good one.